Well, there's a couple of different solutions that we've come up with in terms of paint. The first is with the 3D printing components. One of the issues that we had there was by replicating them in a nylon-based material, it's very hard wearing, it's fantastic, and it answers all of the needs that we have. Unfortunately, the one obstacle that we ran into was the cold touch that it has to have. So we used a proprietary product which allows us to coat it in a iron-based metal coating, which once cured creates a real iron cladding over the plastic part. That helps us replicate the cold touch, even though we then coat over that with paint. Over many years in our business, we know that paint is the best cheat, and it allows us to replicate the feel and the touch and the look of so many different surfaces. We can spray wood to replicate and feel like metal. We can spray, plastic to look like stone. It's been such an amazing opportunity, really, to stretch our legs and turn the real artisan side of what we do onto this project. Another thing that we've managed to do is our own accelerated rusting formulation that we've created, which allows us to paint it onto mild steel, and it accelerates an aging process which natural oxidisation normally takes around 6 months. We've been able to replicate that in a matter of hours with this coating. It gives us a realistic, naturally aged look to the metal, and it's helped us cut sort of a 6-month lead time on aging some of these components, so it's been hugely beneficial on this project.